What's good, y'all? It's your boy Bombster Fool, and I'm back with another video, you feel me? So this one is a whole different video. Usually I do unboxing videos, but today I'm doing a DIY, do-it-yourself tutorial. Well, actually, kind of tutorial, more like watch me and I'll explain. So right here, as you can see, I am masking off these LED puck lights that I got from Amazon. Link in the description of where I got them. I needed something to light up my collectibles that I got on display right now under the TV. Later on in the clip you'll see what I'm talking about, but right now I am masking them off, and then I'm using a X-Acto knife to, cut around, get them like that. Now here I'm outside, the hockey puck, I'm gonna spray paint them. Right now, I am using the Krylon all-in-one fusion 5 times spray paint. There's paint and primer, so you don't have to, sandpaper, all that. You don't have to worry about that. Got it at Michael's. It was like $11.99, but then today it was like 30% off. So I used Michael's, so I saved about $3.50. But yeah, here I am just spray painting around. Make sure the coats are even. Did about one or two coats. Yeah, 2 coats, maybe 2.5, because some parts I missed, so I just evenly spray around. I'm not worried about if paint gets on the inside a little bit, because I can fix that up with some alcohol. But yeah, just wanted to mask it off so the sides will be all black. Yeah, it's a nice day. Well, actually kind of chilly, but hoodie weather. I wasn't out here too long. Yep, and then I let them dry for about 10-15 minutes. Look at that in the window. Number 1 supporter, Nala Walla. Always over my shoulder. Now here we back in the cribbo, and this is what I'm talking about. Bookshelf that I got from IKEA. We got the Master Chief. Got some call figurines that I got from my previous unboxing. And see, that's how it looks like when it's lit up. So I wanted to actually see them, actually see the pieces instead of just silhouettes. So this is why I got these puck lights from Amazon. Like I said, link in the bio, description, Oh, Nana, what you doing? I'm telling you, she always up on it. Here I'm just peeling the painter's tape off. Like I say, I don't care if there's really paint on the light, because I'm not gonna be seeing that because it's upside down. But I just wanted the sides to be all black. I'm testing the lights. I like the stands, magnetic. You can charge it. So it comes with some stickers you can put up on the shelves, and then you can attach it to it. You'll see what I mean right here. That's how I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So these are hockey puck LED lights for displays. So before they were white, as you can see, and I got a black bookshelf from IKEA. Basically flipped it around so I could display stuff instead of books. And yeah, I got 8 spaces. So I didn't want the white just to be distracting, so I wanted it to be black to match. And I guess you stick it up. That's a magnet, so you can just take them off and charge them. That's why I like these. They're not battery operated. You just charge them and they last pretty long, I believe. I'll let you know though. But yeah, these are magnets. You just take off the sticky tape and put them above here. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you a little bit. When you put it right above it, it doesn't shine as much, the light. So I want to put it not directly in the center, but a little bit further up, so we can show the forefront of it. If it's in the center and it's too back, you just get like a cast shadow that you can't really see it. But yeah, for all these, that's why I got 8. I'm gonna line them up a little bit over here, and so it shines down real nice. Probably put and like I said, these are magnetic with a sticker. So you tear this part off, make sure it's in the right place, put it up there, and
since it's magnetic. Take it off. So yeah, these are real cool. I'm excited. First DIY project in a long time. Had fun doing this. I know the paint ain't like perfect, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be shining down. You won't be seeing the paint really. I don't really care on the back, whatever. I just want the sides to be black. So yeah, shave. See, guys, you can see. You put it in the up too dark, you can't really see the front, so you want to put it a little bit further up, like that. You know what I'm saying? This one, same. But Iron Man mask over here. A little dusty. If you put it further back, you can't really see it, but I want to see it. Like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I got some more unboxing as well to fill these up. So I can't wait. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you, I guess, the process of it. Hey, darling. What's going on, Bobby?
So yeah, there you have it. All 8 LED puck lights installed. Like I said, I'm gonna have more unboxing videos coming that will fill these out really nicely. The bottom rows, and here's how it looks like from the couch, you know what I'm saying? Looking nice. So yeah, stay tuned. It's your boy Bomb Stuff. Peace, love, and happiness. I'm out.